All right, guys, so I wanted to show you our progress from last month. This is 30 days. This is literally 30 days. We started with, in this account, this started as a small medium account. Small medium account, $12,000 is where we started. No deposits, all just from trading to $93,000. Made 800%. And the last 7 days is really impressive. Hold on. Last 7 days is here. Double our money in the last 7 days. So, actually, it's pretty stable, isn't it? It's pretty consistent. Anyway, we're accepting $2,000 clients now. So if you want to get in, you want to be a client. Hello. We're by the way, we're number one in Binance on the leaderboard. I kept promising you guys that we'd end up number one in Binance for the most profitable traders in the entire world, and we're there. We're number one. I'm super sorry I'm wearing this lime green sweater. I sleep in this sometimes because it's really comfortable, but it's ugly as fuck. Anyway, get rich. Join us. Have us trade for you. Take a look at Wojak, Wojak. It's in Dex Tools right now, and it went up 300% in value over the last couple days. It went up 300%, and guess what we did? We bought it for our clients who deposited $2,000. So now they're rich in just 7 days. I don't have 7 fingers on one hand, so I can't demonstrate the 7, but feels good to be an OG. Bitcoin-fund-manager.com is where you go to join us and make us make you money. Make us make you rich.